Hello everyone! After revealing the 322 horsepower ID.3 GTX hot hatch and 335 horsepower ID.7 GTX Tourer last week, Volkswagen continues to expand its sporty EV sub-brand. The latest vehicle to wear the GTX branding is the electric ID.Buzz minivan, which gains a 335 horsepower dual-motor powertrain. While the GTX badging will remain exclusive to Europe, as on the other models, Volkswagen has confirmed that the same all-wheel drive powertrain will make it to the US. The GTX, along with the US-bound AWD model, packs a 107 horsepower motor on the front axle and a 282 horsepower motor powering the rear wheels. Volkswagen is offering the GTX powertrain on both short and long wheelbase models for Europe, but America will only receive the longer ID.Buzz. Top speed for the van is capped at 99 miles per hour, and Volkswagen didn't share acceleration estimates. Two batteries are offered for the GTX, a 79 kilowatts per hour unit or a 86 kilowatts per hour pack. Maximum charging capacity is 185 kilowatts and 200 kilowatts respectively, and at DC fast charging stations, both batteries will go from 10 to 80% in around 26 minutes, Volkswagen claims. The US spec car should come exclusively with the big battery, but Volkswagen's American arm said that full details of the US-bound ID.Buzz AWD will come later this year. While Volkswagen of America said that the all-wheel drive model won't receive the GTX badging and equipment set, the European van wears custom bumpers that mirror the look of the other GTX models. The GTX will also be offered without the two-tone look, as seen in the all-red example here, and flashier wheels. Inside, the GTX is the only ID.Buzz to feature a black headliner, and there are also GTX-specific seats with red accents. The steering wheel also gains red stitching, and the long wheelbase van will be offered in Europe with both 5 and 7 seats. The GTX models will also get the latest version of Volkswagen's infotainment system, which now has a voice assistant with ChatGPT integration. The touchscreen grows by nearly an inch to 12.9 inches, and there is now an exit warning system that alerts passengers to oncoming vehicles or cyclists when opening a door. The long wheelbase model is also being offered with a panoramic sunroof with smart glass that can switch from transparent to opaque at the push of a button. Further details about the all-wheel drive powertrain and what options will make it to the United States should arrive as the ID.Buzz's on-sale date approaches this fall. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion about Volkswagen ID.Buzz GTX, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.